alright. Okay. Alright.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a healthy vegetable potato salad. So I have the old items I'm going to be using right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one after the other what I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be using my onions. I have the spring onion and the red onion. I have my bell peppers here, the red one, the green one, and the yellow one. I have my sweet corn right here. I have my 3 potatoes right here. I'm going to boil them and I'm going to dice them into little cubes. Then I have my salt and some little grounded pepper. I have my parsley leaf. Then I have my mayonnaise. So I'm using this mayo for it at the end. So these are all the items I'm going to be using. And so I'm going to go ahead and boil my potato. Then I'll be right back.
Alright. Okay. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright, 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 okay, okay, okay. I'll be okay. Alright, 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 right. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay.
Hey guys, this is the final look of the potato salad. I hope you like it. Please try it out. It's really yummy. You're going to enjoy every bit of this. This is my own kind of style, the way I make my potato vegetable salad. I love it this way. It's very healthy and it's so delicious. If you tried it, please leave me a comment at the bottom section so you can tell me how it went and how it tasted. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, alright.